What's up guys, Jason Wardrop here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about not one of my favorite topics, but being able to go through and generate leads for divorced couples. So I've been delaying doing this, but I've had a number of you guys asking me how to go through and generate leads for this. So I figured I'd shoot this video. I don't really love going through and getting into the lead gen on all this stuff just because of the situation of everything. But I will go through and break this down. I've got some templates right here like we have on most of the other videos that you guys can get access to. So comment leads right below this video, and I will go through and have a member of our team get in contact and send you out this template right here so you guys can have that. All right, so if you guys are brand new to the channel, this is the first time you've been here. My name is Jason Wardrop and I shoot a new video every single day on how to generate more leads for your business and make more money in your business. So if you guys like videos like this, you want more videos like this every single day, make sure you subscribe. And also if you guys want this doc, the shareable version where you can just copy and paste, make sure you guys like this video and comment leads right below. All right, so first things first, let's set up the landing page because as we're going through and generate leads, we're gonna need a Facebook ad, right? So we're gonna have an ad that's gonna be posted on Facebook that someone's gonna click on, and I'm going to show you guys how to go through and set up the targeting. Then once they click on that ad, they're going to go to the landing page where it's going to ask for their name, phone, and email. So now you have that person's contact information that you could follow up, get in contact with them, and then we could set up even the automated email and text marketing drip campaigns after that. Okay, so just really quick, let's jump in and let's set up the landing page first. And we've got the landing page, headline, all that stuff down right here. Okay, so we're going to come over here to Arsenal MKG. This is the lead generation software that we use. I love it because it's a landing page builder. It's the email text marketing follow-ups, the social automation. It's your CRM all in one location. So what we're going to do, you can see these are the pre-built landing pages that we already have right here. So we're going to click on create another website. And you can see the real estate website templates right here. We've got the listing leads, motivated sellers. We've got all these. I don't have a divorce leads template in here. And just because I'm not a huge fan of the whole topic, I probably actually will never even put a template in here. But I'm just giving you guys the run through. So you guys see we've got the mortgage templates. We've got all these other templates as well. So for this example, let's just use the listing leads template. So we're just going to click on choose right here, which is going to kick us into the website builder, which is going to allow us to edit the background image, the text, everything. And you guys can see this is pretty cool because depending on these other campaigns, we've already got this pre-built in here for you. All right, so first foremost, let's change out the background image because we probably want it to be an image that represents more of the lead gen campaign that we're running, which I actually already went and found an image for you guys so we can make this video more straight to the point. And hope you guys like that. I like things just straight to the point and none of the baloney of just kind of messing around. So we're just gonna click on this background image. And all we got to do is we can edit. You can see all the different parts of this landing page right here on the left column. So I'm going to choose a new image right here. And we've got a massive library of all these images you can choose from. But I'm just going to click on my images and I'm going to hit choose image to upload, which I'm going to be able to upload something from my desktop. Okay, so we're just going to click divorce right here. This image right here, you can see it's like they've got their wedding rings down. Not a really happy image, not a happy site. So we're going to click on upload image. This is upload an image and then it drops down here into our library. So we're just going to choose that. It's going to pop up. We can edit, crop, rotate, whatever we want. This looks great just the way it is. I'm just going to hit use this image and we've got that as a background image. Now it's pretty simple, right? Like just go in, throw in that in. And now as far as the headline, subheadline, and call to action, I've got all that stuff right here. So we got the free download, 5 things you must know. So we're just going to copy. So you can see the header text. We're just gonna copy and paste that right here. Free download, 5 things you must know before selling your home in the divorce. All right. Then coming down here to the subheadline, get your answers. Okay, get the answers you need to make your home sale easy in this difficult time. And then the call to action is get instant access. All right. So we'll come down here, throw that in. And if you guys see how it says like copyright 2015 Arsenal MKG, you can just delete that, take that out, or you could put your how am I can't spell now your name or like your company or whatever you want to throw in right there. Okay, so we're just gonna come in here, name this campaign divorce leads. Then also what I like to do is on this thank you page. So the thank you page, this landing page, is where we're gonna be sending people from Facebook. So they see our post, they click on it, and we're gonna set the ad up here in just a second. They click on the ad, they go to this landing page, they put in their name, phone, email, we generate a lead, and they're gonna come to this thank you page. And I like to have the background image be the same image. So we're just gonna make that really quick, this same image, so we just keep the consistency there. Thanks, check your email for the download. Okay, something like that. Okay, so all we're gonna do now is we're just gonna hit publish, and I'm just gonna show you guys this. It says website saved and published. I'm gonna show you guys this campaign that we just created here. So we're gonna come back to the main dashboard. You can see right here, divorce leads. We click on this, we've got the campaign. Hey, free download 5 things you must know before selling your home. The divorce, put in your name, email, phone number, hit submit, and they become a lead in your system. Right now, this page is 100% mobile optimized. So if they pull it up on their mobile phone, their tablet, desktop, laptop, whatever it is, this is going to auto fit to whatever device you're using. All right, so now we have this all 100% done. Okay, so what we want to do now, and also if you guys really quick, if you guys want to add an automated email, so they put in their name, email, and phone. If you want to add an automated email or text marketing follow-up, you can just click on follow-ups right here, and we have you can say, hey, create a new email or text message, and you can kind of create that drip campaign right here. All right, now I'm not going to dive into that right here in this video, but just so you guys know that you can go through and do that. Okay, so we've created the landing page. Next thing I want to do is I want to set up what's called the Facebook pixel. Okay, the Facebook pixel, that goes and does all of the tracking. So Facebook will be able to track everyone who visits your landing page, everyone that becomes a lead, and it just becomes smarter when you're running your ads on Facebook. Okay, so we'll come over here to the ads manager, and first thing we're gonna do is type in pixels up here in the tools section. And guys, believe me, I know I'm going super fast. If you guys need to go through, pause, stop the video or whatever, do that, and then you can go back and make sure these things happen. I just want to give a quick run through for everyone that's already kind of familiar with Facebook ads, so we're not delaying anything here. Okay, so it's gonna be straight to the point. And then right here in the pixel section, if you've never created a pixel before, it's gonna have you a button that says, hey, create your first pixel. I've already created a pixel, so I'm just gonna click on default pixel right here, and then I'm gonna come up here to setup. Okay, click on setup, and we're gonna go to manually install the code yourself, which guys, this is not hard. I'm not a coder, I'm not a developer. You're probably not either. This is a copy and paste method. It's very, very easy. Facebook's made it super easy. Arsenal's made it super easy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Okay, so we're gonna go to number 2 where it says copy the entire pixel code and paste it in the website header. Okay, so we're just gonna hover over this. You just click on this, and it says copy to clipboard. All right, so now we're gonna come back over here to the Arsenal lead generation page we just created. We're gonna click on edit to go back into the website builder. And so what we're gonna do is just paste this pixel code on this page so that Facebook knows, hey, everyone that visits this, they are someone that's visited our page and potentially become a lead. Okay, so we're gonna come over here to click on this page section, scroll down to advanced, and it wants us to paste it in the header tracking code. So we're just gonna paste it right there. And then we also want to do that on the thank you page, right? So we're just going to hit advanced, come down. Oh, we want to be on the page section. Come down here, header tracking code, paste that there, and we hit publish. All right, so now it says website saved and published. Now if we want to go through and double check that this is all working properly, we'll just come back out here, and what we'll do is we'll click on this site right here, and this is a little thing called Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay, so we'll go to Facebook Pixel Helper, just search it in Google, and it's a free Chrome plugin that you'll be able to use when you're setting up your landing pages. So right here, and you guys can see if the Facebook pixel is not on the page, it's all grayed out like that. So you just hit add to Chrome. I've already added to Chrome, but it's just all grayed out like that. And then if it's already working, it's gonna be all highlighted right here. It's gonna be blue and green and all that stuff, so we know that that's working. So I know it's working on the landing page. I'm just gonna double check, make sure it's working on the thank you page. So to do that, I'm gonna put in some test info here to become a lead, and because anyone that hits this page right here, you can't hit this page unless you put in your contact info. So we know anyone who hits this URL, they become a lead, right? They're a lead now. It says thanks, check your email for the download, and this is all lit up, so we know that the Facebook pixel is firing on this page as well. So we are done with that. So we've got our landing page created, we've got our Facebook pixel, our tracking all set up. The next thing we want to do is do what's called create a custom conversion. And the last step is what we're going to do is dive in and create the Facebook ad, which I'll show you guys here in a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna come back here. Instead of pixels, I'm gonna type in custom conversion. So a conversion, that means that anyone who has converted into a lead, we want to tell Facebook, hey, anyone who visits this URL, that means they have converted into a lead. So right here, we're gonna click on create custom conversion. It's gonna say URL contains. So we want to come back here to the thanks page, and this right here, this is a unique ID that is just specific to that individual person, right? So we want to select everything from the thanks and before, and that's because that is this URL of this landing page. So that means that person's become a lead, and we'll come back over here, hit URL contains, put that in, choose a category. That means they have become a lead, and so we'll say divorce leads demo, and we'll hit create. Right now, once we hit create, it's going to drop down to the bottom right here. So it says divorce leads demo, and it says no activity yet. All right, so what we want to do is we want to come back here and we want to refresh this page, because when it refreshes, it's basically talking with Facebook saying, hey, the custom conversion's created, the pixels on there, everything's working. So we'll come back over here, and what we'll do, where's the page? Okay, right here. So we'll just refresh this page right here, the custom conversion, and it's going to pop up to the top if it works correctly, and it's going to highlight green and say active. All right, so you guys can see right here, so we got the divorce leads demo is popped to the top. It now says active, so we are ready. We are set up to go to set up the ad, the targeting, all that good stuff. So we've got the landing page done, the Facebook pixel, the tracking, we've got the custom conversion set up. Now what we want to do is come over here to the ads manager. All right, and we're going to go through and create a campaign here, and we are going to go hit start over, and we're going to create a conversion campaign. That's why we set up the custom conversion. That is for generating real leads, their name, phone, email, not just getting likes and comments, but real leads, their name, phone, and email. Okay, so we'll click on that, and we're just going to name it, we'll say divorce leads demo. Okay, so we'll hit continue right there, and then as far as this, you can give it a name. I'll give it a name, divorce leads demo. You can just name the same thing. And so for the conversion, we'll want to exit out of this, and we want to use the one that we just created. So this divorce leads demo right here. Okay, so we'll click on that, and as we scroll down, I actually have the targeting that we want to do. So we want to do a broad range of the local area plus 25 miles. Okay, so if we come over here, so let's say the area we are doing is, we'll say Dallas for this one, Dallas, Texas. And we want to do not everyone who lives in this location, but people who live in this location. And we're going to do plus 25 miles. Okay, so you can see we've got 4.7 million people. That's a pretty large audience. And then if we come back over here, the template, I like to do, like, you know, for this range as far as the age goes, I don't have it on there, but I probably would do at least probably like around, I don't know, 24, 25, something like that. Just because, you know, obviously it gives people a little bit of time to be married and be in this situation. Okay, so now we've got broad range, include homeowners, divorced, and separated. Okay, because it's not like they're not gonna be looking to sell their home unless they are homeowners, right? So we want homeowners. Okay, so we've got 140 million people in the United States right there, but this drops it to 2.2 million. And then we also want divorced. Okay, we hit that, separated. So we've got relationship status separated right there. Okay, so it drops down. Well, if we uncheck this, I always like to uncheck that because it gives a more accurate info right here. Okay, so we got homeowners, divorce, separated, and then we want to exclude renters or married, because if they're renting, then, you know, that's not really going to be someone that we can work with, because they're renting a home, they're not looking to sell their home. Okay, renters or married. All right, it's a relationship status married. Or I also like to exclude real estate brokers. Okay, and the reason why is because lots of times if someone's seeing your ad that's a real estate agent or broker, they're just trying to opt in just to kind of see what you're doing. And if they're in that situation and they're a real estate agent or broker themselves, they're probably not going to really need to use you, because they can probably take care of it on their own, right? So anyway, coming down here to placement, so that is all the targeting, guys. Like, we do a 25-mile radius, 24 to 65, homeowners, divorce, separated, exclude renters, married, real estate brokers. And then we come down here to placements. I like to do edit placements, and then come down and do uncheck everything except for the mobile and desktop news feeds. Now I'm testing out currently some of the other placements, but right now it's still the one that's working the best for me. So we're gonna come down here, and then as far as the daily budget goes, with an audience of 1 million people, I would start out at a minimum of 10 bucks per day. If you don't have that, you can go down to 5 bucks a day. You can go up as high as probably 25 bucks a day with 1 million people. But if you have a smaller range, like if it's only like 50,000 or less, I would be more in like the $3 to $5 range starting out. All right, so that's kind of a quick run through on the budget. But if you've got a decent size audience, like anything like 100, 200,000 and above, I start out more in the $10 range with that. Okay, so now we're gonna just hit continue, and we're gonna choose our Facebook page that we want to be advertising from. Okay, so I'm gonna choose down here. We'll say the Park City Realty one, even though this is Dallas. Actually, we'll just use to make it more straight up. So the real estate agent demo page I've got. Okay, we're gonna come down here, and I like to upload, and I like to use the same image that I've got on this landing page, so it just keeps it consistent, right? So I'm gonna do upload image. And I've got this on my desktop, so we're just going to use this one right here, and we'll go down, use this image right here. Then we're going to use the website URL of this landing page that we've already set up. Okay, so we're just going to copy and paste this URL, go in and paste it right in there. And then as far as the headline, we've got that in here in the template. Okay, so I've actually got 2 options right here that you can kind of choose from. Hey, 5 tips getting it sold and moving on, or option number 2, you guys can see right here. I'll just give it a space. You got option 2 down here. We'll just go with option 1 for this video right here. So we just copy and paste the headline, and then we come back over here, the text. So we've simplified this all for you guys, so it's just copy and paste. Okay, we've got the link description. We'll throw this in down right here, newsfeed links description. The call to action, you could do learn more or you could do download. Either one works fine. And then at this point, you can see this is what it's going to look like on the mobile newsfeed. This is what it's going to look like in kind of like a different little format. And then this is on the desktop newsfeed right here. All right, so this is the post someone's going to click on. They're going to go to this landing page, put in their name, email, phone number, hit submit, and they'll become a lead. And this is their thank you page that we've just set up as well. Okay, so all we got to do now is hit confirm, and from there you are good to go. All right, so that is literally step-by-step, guys. I know it was very quick, so go back and watch it. Pause the video if you guys need to go through and do it, but that is step-by-step how to set up a campaign to generate leads for people who are getting divorced, to be able to have that and help them sell their home. All right, now guys, just make sure you guys are obviously very consider it when you guys are going through and working with these people, because it's a tough time of life, obviously. But anyway, guys, so if you guys want this little download right here to copy and paste and all that stuff, just go ahead and like this video and comment right below. Comment leads in the comment section of this YouTube video, and I will have a member of our team shoot that off to you guys. They'll find your contact info and message it off to you guys. So anyway, guys, thanks again so much for watching this video today. Once again, my name is Jason Wardrop. If you guys want more videos like this on how to generate more leads, grow your business, make more money, whether you're a real estate agent or you are a marketer that runs real estate agent lead generation campaigns for clients, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you guys can get daily videos just like this every single day. All right, now with that said, thanks so much again for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.